What's up, guys? You're watching another video. I'm actually on the iPhone right now. I forgot my camera at home. I don't know how I do that, but anyways, we're on the way right now to install the very first mod on the TRX. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to everyone who showed love on the TRX. Everyone seems to love it. Everyone's excited for the build, just like I am. Something new, something different, a refresh to the channel. I almost got another BMW. I was so close to getting an M2, but I just felt like it was super similar to all my other content. So this should be a completely different content and audience, so it should be cool. But anyways, today we're installing the first mod. I saw the comments. Every single freaking comment was saying install a kill switch, Nick, especially here in LA. People just be stealing Hellcats, Trackhawks, and TRXs, unfortunately. So it sucks that I have to do this and spend this much money just to prevent my car from being stolen, but I do not want that to happen. So today we're about to install the best kill switch on the market, so nobody steals my freaking truck. So yeah, we're on the way right now to full-blown performance. Shout out to my boy Kevin. He has a Trackhawk. It's Ruby Star. I filmed with him before, you guys might remember, but he recommended them. He told me go to them, they're the best, and they're gonna give you the best kill switch. So that's where we going. Kill switch on the TRX. So no one pulls up with a shiesty and takes my shit and Vin swaps it. Bro, I'll be so sad if this shit got stolen. I swear. Yeah, look, we made it. Full-blown performance. I'ma also see, because look, they work on Hellcats, Trackhawks. That's all they do. I'm gonna see what we could do for mods. Damn, there's hella TRXs. Look, gray, black, satin black. I'm gonna see if they could make this thing faster. I don't know anything about this platform. I am super new to it. I know a lot about BMWs. I know a bunch of BMW shops, BMW mechanics, but I know nothing about Mopar. So again, huge shout out to my boy Kevin for recommending me, guys. Hopefully I can talk to him and maybe even get some mods on this thing. You know, I want to do a pulley, maybe E85, save me some gas money. We did fill up gas yesterday for the first time. Just guess how much I spent, guys. Comment down below. How much do you guys think I spent for a full tank of gas in California? So California gas prices on the TRX. How much do you guys think I spent? Comment down below. I spent $180 for a full tank, guys. $180. Look, that's a lot. It's actually ridiculous. Like $180 to fill up your car is insane, dude. And it went by in maybe 2 days of driving. So every 2 days I'm fill up 180. Sounds ridiculous. To be honest, I'm not gonna say it's normal, but like I'm glad I'm kind of used to my R8 gas prices, because the R8 fills up with like 120. I'm glad it's not too far off of that. You know, I'm already kind of getting used to these prices, which sounds crazy, I know. So putting this thing on E85 would not be a bad idea. Save me some money. I think E85 burns faster, but it's cheaper to pump, so it'll just feel like it's cheaper, you know? And you, instead of pumping 180, it's probably gonna be like 120. I don't even know, but it'll feel better, you know, in the moment. Damn, that color's hard. With the color match bumper. Oh, also later on today, we're gonna meet up with Jake Schnatter, so stay tuned for that. And his McLaren broke. What a surprise. That's why I didn't buy a McLaren. But we're gonna go to Sam's shop and hopefully fix his McLaren, so it should be cool. All right, so they told me it should take like 2 hours to install, so not bad. I'm probably just gonna kick it here, edit some thumbnails, edit some YouTube video stuff, but look at all these trucks, bro. TRX is everywhere. Now I can see like the mods, you know, the mods I could do. Oh shoot, those are the stock wheels. He just powder coated them. Low key, it looks pretty sick, huh? I could just powder coat these, but I have a special wheel that I want to put on this car. I'm not sure if that many TRXs have done it before. I've only seen it done like one time on another truck, but I have a very special wheel that I want to throw on this car. Stay tuned, guys. Look at these wheels. And all Nardo gray. Hellcat. I do want one of these. I still do. But now I got this. Kind of the same thing, huh? Nah, eventually maybe one day get a Charger down the line. But yeah, Sam Black's tough. Sam Black on mine? I'm down. I didn't even notice seeing the Hellcat swapped Jeep, bro. You know, I always wanted one of these too, a Gladiator. I'm honestly glad I didn't settle though. I almost bought one a few years back. TRX is 100 times better, but unless you do this. Look at this paint. It's like freaking like bed liner. All right, kill switch is installed. We're good now. Now you guys don't gotta comment anymore. The truck is good. It's crazy that we have to do that and go to that extent just so no one steals your car, bro. It's a sad world that we live in. Working so hard for something just for someone to steal it and be paranoid. Sucks, but anyways, look how I had to park. Cause bro, if I park in regular, look how small these parking spots are. My truck's gonna be sticking out on the road. Whatever, when you have a big truck, you can park anywhere you want. All right, back on the vlog camera. We made it to Sam's shop. They always got crazy cars here. Look, SF90, M2, crazy drift car. And look who's here. It is so weird seeing this guy here, bro. Why is Jake in LA? He said he hates it.
What's up?
What's up? You have your girl working on your car?
Well, the clips, she's a lot better at unclipping them.
This girl knows more than me. I don't know shit. Bro, Jake calls me and he describes something that's broken. I'm like, you gotta dumb it down, bro. I don't know anything.
She asked me earlier in the car, she's like, does my license plate show up to your house tomorrow?
Yeah.
She asked me, she's like, do you think Nick has a screwdriver? And I was like, he probably does.
No, I have a screwdriver. Bro, no way you're here, Jake.
I know, right?
Do you like it here or no?
9-6 months cool.
This place is cool.
California sucks.
The traffic's horrible. We literally leave for car week in like 2 days. And he goes all the way from his house, which is wild, bro. And it broke. See, I told him don't get a McLaren, bro. It's gonna break. Look at GTR on the dyno. I wonder how much this thing makes. Look at Gapplebee's. 3 full bus lanes for free Monday through Friday. Or Monday through Sunday. That's funny. M2. Oh, it's a Sam's car. You guys remember when I drove this thing? The manual one? R8. Alright, I hope I'm not leaking anything, but you guys have seen this car on my channel before. It was that extremely loud R8. It was fully shade piped, had a Valtronic exhaust, crazy tune on it. But now, look what he's doing, bro. Damn, my boy's going twin turbo too. Dude, that's so sick. I'm excited to see this. This one is probably gonna be crazier than mine though, because I just have a stage 1 800 horsepower kit. This dude is doing Motec and all kinds of stuff. It should make over 1,000 horsepower, I think. Over 1,000 or what?
Probably.
Can you make mine do that?
Yeah.
How much more, bro? Like, what's the price from where I'm at now to get to 1,000? 40?
Multec is 16,000. Fuel system 4,000. And a tune, probably like 25.
What about the clutch?
Stock.
No, bro, it's gonna mess up eventually.
Keep the tone down.
Scary. Oh shoot, look at this thing. Oh my god, red is beautiful. I would wrap all my cars red. But I feel like you guys will get mad. Damn, this shit's nice. Bro, it looks clean. And it's louder now, huh?
Well, not really louder, but it shoots flames now.
Crazy flames. I know, I gotta see it. He put a flame tune on it pretty much. It shoots insane flames like that high. You need a car wash, brother.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you if you know a good one. We can go stop that.
Bro, you drive this car so much.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
1,300 miles down.
That's wild. And you went on 2 rallies before this.
Yeah.
In these bucket seats, by the way. Probably not the most comfortable seats, but
I don't mind them. My wife doesn't like them.
I think they're sick. But yeah, long road trips, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna try to convince Sam to give me a ride in this thing. This thing is crazy fast. Honestly, he'll probably let me just take it. I'm asking for the keys. But look at the shifter in here. I think he put a G80 transmission in it. It also, oh, he took out the exhaust. It used to have the exhaust out the side, but I think he changed it because it was probably too loud.
It's this one?
Yeah, it's like a little sleeper, bro. That one's crazy too, but this is more like a sleeper on the street. I want to go on that one too. This one might be faster. I know it doesn't look like it. It does not look like it at all, but this is for sure a sleeper if you know Sam. Look at the steering wheel, bro. That does not belong in here. And also that transmission does not belong in here either. So funny. He has like all his like family stuff in here. It's literally a straight up sleeper, bro. Look, there's the exhaust. He did change it. It had a side vent, which is so loud. He showed me a video, but I've not seen it in person. So see if I can go for a ride. I already can hear the comments. I know. Where is your E46 at, Nick? I don't know, brother. I'm gonna be honest. I do not know. We need to bring it back though, huh? We need to bring it back to life, guys. This is what my E46 could have been. I wanted to do these wide body fenders too. Wait, but now that I got the truck, I definitely should talk to Sam about fixing it. Cause now I got a truck. Now there's no excuse, bro. Buy a trailer, go to the drift track, it'll be fun. This thing is beautiful. Look at it. 4 bucket seats to give all your homies rides at the drift track. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, this is that money. Oh shoot, that's the money right there. 4x4? SF90 and an M2. Again, one of the homies got an M2 and we have not had the chance to reveal it yet. But I gotta show you guys the new M2 that's gonna be on the channel that one of my close homies got. All I'm gonna say, it's a crazier spec than that. If you think that's crazy, just wait till you see the spec. I haven't even seen it myself, so we're all gonna reveal it together soon, guys. put the highest,
Hey,
bro.
spin, Walla, spin.
It's okay, it's okay. I'll take it easy.
Trust me. It's like 700.
Bro, it's too little.
It has launch control too.
No, I just want to like step on it. I'm gonna fill it out.
You can use pedal shifting. There's a rolling anti-lag. You go like 3,000, 4,000.
Wait, do it again. Wow! Yo, this is the sickest daily ever. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Alright.
So use the paddles.
You can use the pedal, but if you like, let's say you're in second gear, go to 3,000, flat down and hold the button, and let go.
Okay.
Don't crash it.
I won't crash it. Are you scared?
What the fuck is this?
This is some Sam Lebanese something. The shit that Sam builds on.
I don't understand.
And it has paddles in an old ass car like this. So weird. No way it has music. If it has music, that is the ultimate daily right there. He told me let it warm up and then he just hops in and starts and then like he didn't even let it warm up, bro. Not even a manual. I guess he said it's from a G80 transmission. What the? Why did it shift like that?
I'm scared.
Why are you scared, bro? What was the button that he said? This one? Was this what he was pushing?
Relax.
What was he pushing?
Don't do that again.
Is it slow as man?
Hey, don't do that again, please.
Bro!
My hands are dripping sweat. Don't do that again, man.
You saw your light flash?
Yeah, man.
Bro, that shit went this way.
Don't do that again.
I was not expecting
This
to
shit
do
is
that.
out of airbags. My knees will crush. Please,
Bro, what if we crash right now?
make a U-turn.
What?
Go back to the dealer.
The dealer? You don't even know what you're talking about. Where's your hat?
See, I feel like I'm on a test drive. Yeah, I look like I'm cracked up, man. Look at the hat right now. Relax. It's a turn.
I'm scared to do that again. I'm not gonna lie.
Don't do it
It's
again.
actually scary.
My hands are literally dripping sweat.
Yo, this is the weirdest thing with paddles, guys. Like, I'm not kidding.
Okay.
Why does it sound like that? It's like a transformer.
Transformer for diesel, bro. Hette tomar.
I can't imagine Sam driving it though, because he knows how to drive it.
I don't want to be in a car.
You want to get in?
No.
Bro, it's a family car. What do you
It's not
mean?
a
Look at
family
it. They even got the car seat in here. This is actually sick, but it is scary, guys. There's no traction control in this thing. You gotta really hold this shit. You gotta have balls, bro. The anti-lag is scary. I don't even want to try it again. Bro, it's so hard to drive, dude, with one hand.
I'm never, ever hopping in a car that doesn't have airbags or power steering.
That's nothing, bro. That's seatbelts?
Get me out of here.
The higher the RPM. 4,000 impressive.
Bro, this car is sick. Oh, okay. See, I didn't do that. I did not do that. I kept letting off. Shoot back. Broken?
By McLaren.
I feel bad, bro. Jake's really trying to finish it, guys, so he can take it to car week. If your McLaren doesn't get fixed in time, you could take one of my cars, okay? It's not as cool as the 600 LT, but I'll let him drive anything he wants. Chris, please don't break your arm, brother, because we're not going to hospital right now. I guess something's wrong with like the steering wheel column or something. I don't know. I'm the last person to ask about cars, as you guys know. But something with the steering wheel column is throwing like a light and it's putting the car in limp mode. So they're just trying to diagnose what is it that's throwing in limp mode. Because right now he can't go past a certain RPM. He drove it from Utah to here in limp mode, and then we gotta somehow make it to Monterey Car Week. It's fixed. I think they fixed it. It's on. I think it needs to be warm, like exhaust. My God, bro. You guys turn the lights off. No? It gets crazier? Yeah. No way. Holy shit, bro. That's actually sick, dude.
That's the crazy part.
Bro, it's way up here. If someone's standing back here at a car meet or something, burn their eyebrows off. Alright, so it's fixed.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you still got a lot more thousands of miles to go.
Just unplugging it, plugging it back in.
The McLaren solution. At least you could drive it to Monterey now.
Yeah.
That would have sucked if it broke right before, but guys, I don't think you understand how much he drives this thing. Like, he went on 2 rallies with this thing already. He probably put like 10,000 miles on this car. I wonder what people think when they see that shit. Shooting flames at the roof. Like just normal traffic that knows nothing about McLaren.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.